I'll make this topic super easy. Hit the subscribe button below and watch this lecture until the end. Mixture. What's mixture? What is homogeneous mixture? What is heterogeneous mixture? I will answer these three questions. Now let us start with what's mixture. Two or more substances mixed together physically to form a mixture, or when two or more substances mixed together, they form a mixture. Example, look this. It's a combination of different fruits. Therefore, it forms a mixture. Now, let us add sand to water. Finally, we form mixture. Therefore, this mixture is a combination of sand and water. Now, let us dissolve sugar into water. When we dissolve sugar into water, we form mixture. This mixture is a combination of sugar and water. The fourth example. This mixture is a combination of oil and water. So combination of oil and water form mixture. Now, when we mix or combine different grains, we form mixture. As you look, this one is a mixture of different grains. So it is example of mixture. Burger is example of mixture because it is a combination of different foods. Mixtures are part of our daily lives. For example, the air we breathe is mixture. The foods we eat are mixture. The medications we use are mixture. The skin and hair products are example of mixture. Now let us talk about properties of mixture. One, mixture has variable composition. Two, mixture has variable proportion. Three, individual substance keep their own properties. Four, mixture can be separated, physically. In a mixture, each component retains their own properties. We have two types of mixture, namely homogeneous mixture and heterogeneous mixture. Homo means the same. Hetero means different. Now let us start with what is homogeneous mixture. Homo means the same, as we have seen previously. A homogeneous mixture has uniform composition throughout the mixture. Uniform composition means even distribution of particles. The particles of a homogeneous mixture cannot be seen with our naked eye. Let us give you different example. When we dissolve common salt or sodium chloride in water, we make mixture. Pure air is example of homogeneous mixture. Pure air is a combination of nitrogen gas, oxygen gas, and carbon dioxide. Therefore, they are example of homogeneous mixture. Another example, aceto or vinegar are example of homogeneous mixture. Zinc mixed with copper to form brass. Brass is an example of homogeneous mixture. Water plus sugar plus flavorings is example of soft drinks, which is homogeneous mixture. All solutions are homogeneous mixture, but not all homogeneous mixture are not solution. Heterogeneous mixture. Hetero means different. Heterogeneous mixture has uniform composition. Has no uniform composition throughout the mixture. Let me give you different example. The combination of water and oil are example of heterogeneous mixture. When we add sand in water. They form mixture, but this mixture we call it example of it heterogeneous mixture. Burger or example of heterogeneous mixture. The particles of heterogeneous mixture can be seen with our naked eye. The difference between homogeneous mixture and heterogeneous mixtures. First, homogeneous mixture, and second, heterogeneous mixture. Now, A has a uniform composition throughout. The components are evenly mixed. The size of particles at molecular or atomic level, such as atom, ion, or molecule. The particles are not visible. The component cannot easily separated. Finally, has no visible boundary. Heterogeneous mixture has a uniform composition throughout. No, has no uniform composition throughout. Sorry, components are not even mixed. The size of the particles are the, the particles are visible. The component can easily separated. Has no visible boundary. Thank you.